Okay, Singapore, this one really I cannot brain. So what happened? A 36-year-old woman refused to pay a $24 taxi fare, and then she slapped the 73-year-old taxi driver. 73 years old At this age some already retired. Chak kopi over at the kopitiam. But this uncle still need to work to earn for a living. Until he kena slap like at WWE SmackDown, you know. So what actually happened? Allegedly, she refuses to pay the $24. Hey, you don't want to pay the $24 next time you take the bus lah. You got no money to take the bus, then walk. Then after that, argument escalate. Instead of saying, Uncle, sorry, I don't have the cash. Can I transfer you later? She chose to Hey, hello, this is taxi, you know. Taxi ride, not Mortal Kombat. So you slap, 2 weeks you go inside. Just because of the $24 and one tight slap. So now one tight slap kena you back. So now you calculate. You eat, you sleep, you berak, you do everything. 2 weeks inside just for $24 and a slap. Worth it or not? All because you don't want to tap the card. So now the $24 become the most expensive lesson in your life. Okay, so let's real talk. You slap an elderly worker over a $24, what does it say about yourself? If today your father or your grandfather kena tight slap, you think you want to keep quiet? But we always say, respect the elders, respect the elderly. Only when it is convenient for you. So now, 2 weeks enough, is it? Should there be a heavier punishment for this kind of attitude? Or you think, $24 small matter can settle what? Come, I give you one tight slap. Singapore law, very clear one. You use your hand first, the law will backhand you. This is not Netflix drama. This is criminal record edition. Hey, this is only February. A lot of things happen. And now, because of $24. So next time when people ask you, hey, why you go to jail? Oh, I go to jail because of $24 and I slapped the taxi driver. So you think it's worth it? So next time you want to do anything, you think first. Anyway, happy staycation over at the prison for just $24. Ciao!